this is Diva Chick from Relaxed Therapy. Today's review is on the Komaza Pona Hair and Scalp Treatment. Okay, so let's talk about this. It is a mild scalp exfoliation. It minimizes excess hair shed, stimulates hair growth, and treats dandruff and psoriasis. Or I should say that's what the product claims anyway. The ingredients, some of the top few is coconut water, coconut oil, aloe vera, passion flower, vitamin C, B3, B5, so on. I'll list all the ingredients in the description box below so you will have the full list of ingredients. So let's kind of talk about the few things the product actually indicates that it does. Ever since I got my Komaza hair analysis, I've been using this. I went through a period where my scalp would be dry, itchy, flaky, and just irritated. Well, since using the Pona hair and scalp, I've not dealt with any of those issues whatsoever. I use it once a week, or let me rephrase, I use it every time I wash my hair. So I used to average once weekly, but I've gone to once every 2 weeks, and I just kind of bounce back and forth between the two. But hands down, I use it each and every time I have a wash day. I first started out putting it on my hair for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. I believe it says, here it goes, for a more intense treatment, leave on for 30 minutes to an hour with using a plastic cap to cover your head. I did it that way for the longest, and sometimes I would put it on and think, oh gosh, I just don't feel like washing my hair right at this second. So, but I put this on my hair and I gotta wash my hair. And I would just feel pressured to wash my hair because I was thinking, hey, it's exfoliating my scalp. I probably shouldn't leave it on my scalp for any length of time. But I reached out to Komaza to ask them, do I have to rinse it out right away? And they actually said, no, you can leave it on overnight. It has gentle exfoliants, so you can leave it on the scalp. So now I put it on the night before wash day, and I don't feel pressured to wash my hair. It just works out so much better. So basically, I use this as a pre-poo. I put it on my scalp and on the length of my hair. And I don't overly saturate the hair because obviously I'm leaving it on overnight. But I do put a good enough amount on there so that I feel that the product would be effective. When I do apply it the same day that I'm washing, I tend to be a little heavy with my application. I've not noticed any difference in performance with a heavier or a lighter application, so either works. I did mention to Komaza, how do I know that this is really exfoliating my scalp? Well, what they told me is, it is better seen under a microscope, so I'm not able to officially tell if it's exfoliating my scalp, but I will say I've not dealt with any buildup or, like I said, dryness, itching, or what have you. I went through a time where when I would wash my hair and I would get out, wash, condition, what have you, get out of the shower on my final rinse, rub my fingers across my scalp, and what do you know? I have like buildup, like almost as if I either didn't rinse my hair well enough, or perhaps maybe I just did not remove the buildup from my scalp. So again, since using the Pona hair and scalp treatment, I've not had any of those problems. Minimize excessive hair shed. Okay, so I don't find that it has altered my shedding at all. I mean, I shed like normal. I don't have excessive shedding. So I guess if I was dealing with excessive shedding, where to the point of alarming shedding, I may see a difference. But because my shedding is normal, I have not noticed any difference in my shedding. So on that note, I don't feel that it's doing anything for my shedding. Stimulating hair growth. Well, since I'm on a long-term stretch, I've been able to monitor my growth. I was achieving a ½ inch per month before starting my long-term stretch, before starting using the Pona, and my growth rate is actually still the same. Treats dandruff and psoriasis. Well, I don't have psoriasis, and I've never really dealt with dandruff, But I have gone through periods where I had showings of dandruff, but not like a continuous dandruff problem. But if I'm going to tie that to what I said earlier about my scalp overall health, I feel that it is working, but I just feel like it's just really working to help have a healthier scalp. But unfortunately, I can't really talk to if it's effective for someone with chronic psoriasis or dandruff. It comes with the little nozzle on the top, and it's more of a liquid form. If you can kind of look at that, it's very thin. I don't know if you can see that, but it's almost like water even. When I was on YouTube, I kind of noticed that someone said that they actually spray it on their hair. Perfect idea. I've never tried it. I just usually use the nozzle, put it on my scalp, then I pour some in my hand, and I then put it all through my hair. It smells kind of like coconut, so I really like that smell. So the directions actually suggest you shake well before use, and you can use it on wet or dry hair. Massage it into the scalp and hair. So that's exactly how I use it. I shake it up, apply it on my hair, put a plastic cap on, and leave it on overnight. Oh, and so the next day, whenever I get ready to go out and about, I just will fix my hair as normal, moisturize, seal, and be on my way. I don't do anything special to hold me over until I get around to washing. So that's been working well. I decided to just, come on and share a little bit about the Pona hair and scalp treatment. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the description box below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.